we've been urging our government to view drug or substance abuse to the lens of social justice and public health. Ito po'y base sa mga datos na nakuha natin na talagang isa sa pangunahing dahilan sa paglulong ng ating mga kababayan sa paggamit ng droga ay ang kahirapan po sa buhay. So I would just like to put that on record. If you would allow me, Mr. President, I think next in line is Senator Bato de la Rosa, who is also having a reservation that this presentation would be your vice chair for today's hearing, Mr. Chairman. May I just ask one question, Mr. President?
Yes, I will use your chairman's discretion. Ask your question.
Yes, Mr. President. Thank you very much. We are very honored that our former president is here with us, sir. Thank you for being here with us. And I just noticed yung pong sinabi niyo po kanina, and I'm